Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if your Android phone is stuck in a boot loop, follow these steps to fix it. Also guys, you can see a comprehensive tutorial on the screen if you want to refer to that one and see visually. So firstly guys, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds or until the phone turns off. Some devices may require pressing power plus volume down instead. It was actually my case with my phone. This often clears minor software glitches. After that, step number 2 boots into recovery mode. So if the restart doesn't work, try recovery mode. Power off your phone completely. Hold the power and volume up buttons together. Release the buttons when you see the manufacturer's logo. After that, use the volume buttons to highlight Wipe Cache Partition. You need to get into recovery mode to do that. After that, press the power button to confirm. Select Reboot System Now afterward. After that, perform a factory reset if needed, if the clearing cache didn't work. So in recovery mode, select Wipe Data / Factory Reset. Confirm with the power button. This will erase all your data, so only do this if other steps fail. So if these steps don't solve the issue, you may need professional repair assistance. Guys, be careful with this. Stay safe with your phone, don't break it. Yeah, this stuff happens to a lot of people, so it's completely normal to troubleshoot this. Guys, hopefully this helps you out. Press like, see you in the next one.